The Mbira dzavadzimu is played by the Mujuru people. The name means Mbira of the ancestor spirits, and the Mujuru know that it was played as long ago as the reign of the Munumutapa Mutota in the 15th century. Recently, there's been a revival of interest in this ancient ritual instrument. This is the popular new form of the instrument. It has 22 notes in a 7-note scale, something like a Western scale, but tuned a little differently. This is a song called Nyamaropa, the most famous song of the Mbira dzavadzimu. As a beginner might be taught to play it. A beginner does not use all the keys, as you see, only the basic ones, the high rank for the left hand, and the central notes for the right hand. Most tunes have 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. A good way to hear these quarters is to listen to the way the harmonies move. 1, 2. Whatever variations may be added later, this chord movement must stay the same. With the low notes in, this is now a performance version of Nyamaropa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Variations in the right hand. Left hand changes its pattern. The chord movement remains the same throughout all the variations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each quarter contains 12 small time units or pulses. Now 12 is a versatile number. This is the basic clap. Each clap takes 3 pulses, so there are 4 claps to the 12 pulses of each quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This beat is the reference beat for all the parts of the music. And the rattles also emphasize them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Much of the dancing is done to the same 4 on beats. But the Mbira plays something else altogether. Look at the left hand. It's playing the low notes on the reference beat and the high notes on the pulse immediately after. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the right hand. It's playing across the left hand rhythm, 6 beats to each quarter of the tune. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This crossing of the rhythm in the 2 hands is a basic part of the technique. Let's take another tune. This one's called Nemamusasa. Watch the left hand first. It's phrasing each quarter like this. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Now look at the right hand. It's playing just the same pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. But all these beats fall between the left hand beats. Remember the 12 pulses in each quarter? The right hand is playing the odd ones, 1 to 11, and the left hand has the even ones, 2 to 12. Although neither hand is playing the reference beat, the player still has to keep it in mind. Here's how it fits in. The same 4 beats per quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand on the Mbira. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the rattle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The Mbira is played inside a large calabash resonator. In the hands of an expert, the variations in one tune alone are almost endless. This is Ephat Mujuru, son of a well-known Mbira playing family.
I'm going to play this song called Dangurangu in 3 versions. I'm now going to play the second version. Now I'm going to play you the third version now. This is Dangurangu.
What framework does the player have in mind as he does these variations? One of the disciplines behind every tune is the chord movement. Let's look more closely at the chord movement of our first tune, Nyamaropa. For convenience, we're going to call this note and its octaves G. The first 4 pulses, at least, of Nyamaropa must consist of Gs and Ds only. The choice of which Gs and Ds to play is one of the resources of the instrument when you come to improvise. Here's one way that Ephat Mujuru plays the first 4 pulses. The second chord of the first quarter must be Bs and Fs. Here's how it could be done. And the last chord of the quarter must be Ds and As. Now, here's the whole of the first quarter right through again. The rest of the chord movement is like this. The second quarter has Gs and Ds, followed by Bs and Fs, and Es and Bs. The third quarter has Gs and Ds, Cs and Gs, and Es and Bs. And the fourth quarter has As and Es, Cs and Gs, and Es and Bs. And start again from the beginning. G, B, D, G, B, E, G, C, E, A, C, E, G, 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 A. At the 3-octave range of the Mbira, it gives a wide choice of possible inversions. create melodies with passing notes between chords. By choosing other notes of the chord, the player can improvise in the different pitch ranges. The Mbira dzavadzimu is usually played in small groups of 2s or 3s, or sometimes more. The first part playing here is called kushaura, the starter. This is a possible kushaura part for a tune we saw earlier, Nimamusasa. Now, the second player has to find a way to fit in and contrast his part rhythmically with this. The predominant phrasing of this part is in 3 strong accents per quarter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So a strong contrast would be to play in a 4-accent pattern per quarter. And this is what the second part does with his left hand. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the right hands of the 2 players also have to interlock. His right finger plays in such a way that it interlocks with the right finger of the first part. This part is playing on all the even-numbered pulses, and the first part is playing on all the odd-numbered pulses. While we watch this part, here's how the 2 Mbiras sound together. Players listen to each other carefully and try to combine their parts to make a good resultant melody.